My name is Taun with Utah State University Extension, and I want to talk about living conifers that we bring inside for the Christmas season. So a lot of times we use outdoor plants like Alberta spruce or blue spruce indoors for the holiday season. There's a tradition of people buying a great big spruce in a pot, bringing it inside as a Christmas tree, and then planting it in their yard. You know, this is a lot smaller version of that, but it's still a living plant that we use in our landscapes. And a lot of times, especially these littler plants, are thrown away or recycled after the holiday season is done, and that's fine. But there's a number of them, especially like these Alberta spruce and the larger spruce, that actually can be used in the yard. So this particular tree right here and other spruce, if you're going to use it indoors, it doesn't want to be indoors for more than about 10 days, or else it may break dormancy and think it's spring, and you'll have to keep it inside if you want to keep it alive and keep it watered. And because of low light levels, there's a possibility that the plants could die unless you have a sunroom or something similar to keep them in the most sunlight you can. So what I would do with this personally is, when I purchase them from the garden center or box store, bring them home and put them in the garage, because it's going to be cool enough in there to keep them dormant, but not so cold that they'll be damaged. Bring them in sometime around December 14th or 15th. You can leave them inside until Christmas, but then they need to go back to the garage. Now, the concern with these is that they will need to be watered periodically outside, and so what I would recommend doing is just putting it on some cement and wetting it down every 3 to 4 weeks, because even though your garage or unheated shed stays, at near freezing or up to around 40, 45 degrees, water still evaporates. So once you've gotten this through the winter in your garage or unheated shed, bring it outside sometime in mid to late March, and then just put it on the north or east side of your home so it's protected a bit. Keep it watered, and then as temperatures warm up naturally, it will acclimate to spring and hopefully grow new needles, and you can plant it somewhere in your yard and have it be kind of a memorial to the Christmas and something that you can remember as being part of your family.